Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating Excel immediately. Press Command plus space and type Excel to use Spotlight because it searches system and apps fast. Once Spotlight finds it, press Enter to open. If nothing appears, open Finder and go to Applications or Launchpad. Those show installed apps. Make sure you have an active Microsoft 365 license or product key, otherwise Excel may prompt you to sign in. This step prevents wasting time opening the app without access. If Excel isn't installed, download it from the Mac App Store or sign into your Microsoft account to get Office. The App Store is simpler for most users. Run the installer, then open System Settings Security and Privacy to allow any blocked components. This avoids permission errors. Once installed, use Microsoft Auto Update or the App Store to check for updates. Keeping Excel current fixes compatibility and performance problems. Make sure you sign into your Microsoft account so files and templates sync properly. Open a real XLSX file to confirm Excel launches and becomes the default for spreadsheets. This also helps you see templates and recent files. Once confirmed, drag Excel's icon into the dock so it's always one click away, and right-click any sheet to set open with if you prefer another app sometimes. If Excel fails to open or crashes, restart your Mac, reinstall Excel, or delete the Excel preferences list to reset settings. This troubleshooting step usually resolves stubborn launch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.